fact, we have got the GAPS, which is computer-aided power systems. So that also we need for electrical engineers. So there are several other programs. In fact, on security also we have modern cryptography. Several other programs are there.
Thank you. When you soft skills model,
Yes.
when you look at the TTP plus not, are you seeing from the TTP two step about the soft skills?
No, in TTP all these are there. In the soft skills are also covered. Soft skills. So Surya put up a slide, right, where he mentioned so many other dimensions that are being covered besides the technical courses. You can look at it after lunch and see what are all the different things that are
In this
entering.
component is not.
No, TTP is the 8-week program. It's very comprehensive. Impossible to give the detail there.
Oh.
Okay, I think we have come to a close for the morning session, and we really thank you all for participating, and I enjoyed your active participation, and we have enjoyed partnering with colleges. We have brought only few partner colleges here because if they are here, they want to talk more, and then you won't get to talk. So next time once you start implementing, then you will be invited and then you get to speak. You share your experiences. So it's actually a lot of fun because best practices can get shared. There's a collaborative effort and everybody can grow and all the students can grow. And I do want to take the time, and where is my team? They're already disappearing. I would like all of my team to just come here and take a bow, and I want to say that all what you're saying is not possible without each and every member of the team here. This is really, come on guys, you're wasting time. Get over here. There are so many people behind the cast, as you can see, and they're all young, enthusiastic, and believe in what they're doing. A lot of times they may say, "Oh my God, we called these people, they didn't do it." But again, they somehow motivate themselves to again pick up the phone and say, "Okay, how else can we try it?" Or we're doing content development with the professor. Professor says he's going to give us slot for recording. Then he somehow escapes, so it doesn't come back. And then how do we catch him? So it's fun, and I'm looking at all the smiles to see, that they can all relate to the issues. But hopefully we're all having fun. This is what it is. This is an NCDU, guys, and yeah, I'm going to follow. I'm okay. Yeah. So would you just step back so I can just walk through? So why don't each of you just say your name and just what you're mostly doing?
Hi sir, this is Suresh, working as content developer. I have worked with courses like MIT course and data structures, and another is a tool for automatic evaluation. And I'm also working on 4 other courses like linear electronic circuits, Verilog, and another thing is VLSI.
So when TTP has to happen and all machines have to be in the right places, everything has to work. He's the one who's sleeping, not sleeping the night before. So I think he's got processes down that he can actually sleep now.
I'm Sriram. I'm working as a web developer in the university. And also I'm working as a coordinator, coordinating the colleges, also guiding the project to detect students on their problems.
And this young gentleman, Srikanth, is the mentor coordinator for Dr. Chalam's college, Sri Chaitanya. And so he goes to Karimnagar, visits them, says, "Why aren't you doing whatever?" So you think he's small, he doesn't talk much, but he can get work done. Yeah.
Hi, sir. I've been working for implementation team. So basically, I just track students, the development submitted, and mostly check they're on track.
question, I just wanted to answer one question which Sandy asked. Are you having fun? Yes, we are having fun. We have fun whenever we see a batch of students cross different stages. See one batch from one college, they have done CT successfully and so many masteries and so many teaching masteries. We really excited. So that's where our fun comes from. That's what I want.
Hi, I am Devashrita. I have joined Infinity in NS Edu department and I am working as process support.
I'm Lakshmi and I'm a mentor at NSCP. And one more line, I enjoy working here because we get to see a lot of students from different colleges. And when we go to motivate them or speak with them, it's the intrinsic values that we're talking about. It's talking about not to plagiarize, but to do it yourself. Because students want to copy somebody else's code. They don't want to program on their own. So it's about internal things that we're talking about. And enjoy that bit a lot more than any other. The fulfillment that comes from doing that kind of a job is more than the corporate fulfillment that you get. So I enjoy it.
I'm Sunita. I'm a senior program manager here. I'm just having fun. I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, she gets paid to have fun, right? So, this is what it is. And why am I here? A lot of people in my family complain that here you're not taking off your health, you're working like crazy, you're working as if you're in a startup, more than when you were an entrepreneur. I don't understand. This was supposed to be your retirement. Where is the retirement? We don't get to see you. So all kinds of complaints I have to face from the family. But then, I get excited about whatever it is that we're doing here. Mentoring people, mentoring my own team, mentoring the teachers, working with them, understanding what the difficulties are, helping them that one little bit, and making sure that the message goes also through you, that the very important point that Lakshmi raised, do not take shortcuts. Because if students take shortcuts, then they are shortchanging themselves for life. In the 4 years of college, that is the opportunity they have to learn. If they don't use that time, they are wasting that time, and then later on, they are the sufferers. The placement and training coordinators don't get to look at those numbers. They don't get to look at the number of suicides that happened or whatever else that happened, because these people could not deliver on the job because they are under so much stress, because they don't know what to do. They somehow copied, they got a grade, they got a degree, they got a job. But are we watching what is happening afterwards? This is the responsibility I want us to jointly acknowledge and take forward. And if you can do that, I think each one of us would have done something wonderful for our own selves and then beyond. Thank you again. I cannot tell you how proud I am of this team. They don't hear too many positive words from me because I keep watching, okay, what happened to that other thing? The 99 things they might have done right. Then I keep honing in on that 1% that they didn't do. So they're like, when can we ever make ma'am happy? It's probably something that might have gone in their mind, but they should know, and now I'm turning to you all guys and saying, you are all wonderful people. We couldn't do what we're doing without you, and it's about
That has been a real fun for us.
It's absolutely fun. I couldn't do it any other way. If it's not fun for me, I won't be here. That's what I tell people. It's like, whatever you're doing, if you're not enjoying, life is too short not to have fun doing whatever you're doing. That's all I can say. Thank you. And please join us for lunch at Enhanced CDU, Vindhya C4, following which there will be individual meetings with each of you towards